This is the Music Producer Masterclass, the complete and no-nonsense course for those who want to take their music to the next level. Do you ever dream of writing a hit song? Then this is the course for you. Regardless whether you have no musical background or technical skill or are already a musician, this course will show you from the ground up the tools and techniques to producing incredible sounding music. I am a music producer and composer for films and video games. The techniques that I teach you in this course are the tools you can use to create professional compositions. In this course, you will learn to make music using the most popular music software, FL Studio, from beginner level to expert level. You'll learn how to come up with musical ideas and develop them. You'll learn to do effects with your vocals, such as vocal chopping and using vocalizers. You'll learn how to mix and master your compositions and sell your music on online platforms to start earning money. There is so much to show you, and I can't wait to begin. Welcome aboard, and let's get started.